Descaling a Melitta solo or decalcifying, it's the same thing. You'll want to make sure that the machine is off and that you've got appropriate anti-calc or descaler for it. Then the first thing you're going to do is you'll want to push the power button and the button with the 2 coffee cups for 3 seconds to make sure that it turns on and comes on in descaling mode. So you do that, hold it, and there you go, it's in descaling mode. And the first thing you want to do is empty the drip tray of any water or coffee grounds before beginning. Before putting the drip tray back in, you want to take out the water tank, try and get it to stand up, and refill it with about 2 capfuls of the anti-calc, and then fill the rest up with clean water up to that max point mark, and then return the water tank back in position. Back in place, trying not to spill it everywhere. There we go, clicked in. Now that's all back in place, you just slide the drip tray back into place, get a container for any excess water, and then just hit the coffee bean. And it will begin to descale. Descaling begun, container in place, and it will just run through. This will take about 15 minutes. Just keep an eye on the container so it doesn't overflow. And yeah, once the tank is empty, you can rinse it out. Nothing's happening. Turn the unit off, remove the side, and then remove the brewing unit by pushing this handle up, pulling out, and then just rinsing it out and then letting it to drip dry. It's dry, put it back in place, lock back in, turn the machine on and try again. Once the first cycle has finished, this light will flash up to tell you to refill the water tank. So rinse out the water tank to make sure there's no descaler, decalcifier residue left, and then fill it up with fresh clean water to begin the rinse cycle. Slide that back in place and the rinse cycle should begin again.